Welcome back to MAURO'S Films. A lot of you guys in the comments and also on my Instagram asked me to make a comparison between the DJI Mavic Pro and the DJI Mavic Air. So I went out for some extensive testing of some features that I really think are the most important when buying a drone for filming. In the end of this video you will also find my conclusions and which one I think is the best for you. And note, my conclusions might differ from yours. If you want to follow my behind the scenes of my project, you can follow my Instagram stories and the link of my Instagram page is down below. So, let's start with the camera comparison quality. I made it fair, I didn't use any filters cause I still can get ones for the Air. Used auto white balance and exposure to see what are they really capable of when they are thinking on themselves. Overall quality, colors and image rendering without mushy footage goes for the Air. It wins also cause the bitrate, 100 megabits versus 60 megabits, and improved image processing, so it will give you a better balanced image. The Mavic Air doesn't have D-Log, but only Cine-like D. For me it's fine, cause I lately use only Cine-like D to match my Panasonic cameras. So for the camera, the winner is the Mavic Air. The second one, the controller and the camera shutter knob. The Mavic Pro controller has the shutter controller knob, and the Mavic Air has a button. With the Mavic Pro you can control your shutter speed also while recording, but with the Mavic Air you have to control your shutter on the screen of your phone. And while recording you can't change your shutter speed, you have to stop recording, change your shutter speed with the screen, and then start recording again. Please DJI, fix this thing with an update. The third one, the noise level. I went out on a really cold situation to test out the noise levels and give you a feedback. And I did not use a decibel meter cause it was too windy. So mount your headphones and listen to the sound difference. The Mavic Air has a buzzier high-intensity noise and it can be heard from a bigger distance. The Mavic Pro has a more pleasant lower frequency sound, and using the Mavic Pro Platinum propellers you can lower your sound presence even more. So the clear winner is the Mavic Pro. Flight distance. I never fly more than 400 and 500 meters away, and I pretty much all the time have my drone on a line of sight. But for sure, the Mavic Pro OcuSync will give you a better range. Don't forget to fold down the legs of your Mavic Air, they are Wi-Fi antennas. If you forget to fold them down, you will lose your signal pretty fast. So, the clear winner is the Mavic Pro. Wind resistance, I tested both of them. So guys, I made a pretty cold winter windy test with the Mavic Air and also with the Mavic Pro, and the Mavic Air holds its position really great and it's below zero temperature here. And after that I tested them one next to the other. Both drones held its position in a windy cold situation really well. I will give a slight advantage to the Air cause the Mavic Pro was having some chin-ups. So the winner is the Mavic Air. Obstacle avoidance. The Mavic Air has APAC and when flying forward will avoid you left, right and over you, and it has also rear backward sensors. Let's have a look. So, the Mavic Air sensors try to avoid an obstacle. The Mavic Pro just stops. So, the clear winner is the Mavic Air. Battery life. As we know, the Mavic Air has 21-minute laboratory flight time, and the Mavic Pro has 27 minutes laboratory flight time. In a real situation, I got about 15 to 16 minutes in cold weather. As for the Pro, I got about 20 minutes. So, if you want a longer flight time with only one battery, the Mavic Pro is the winner. But the smaller size, cheaper battery, and if you're swapping batteries doesn't bother you, you could be really fine with the Air. So, let's make it even. Portability. Well, obviously, the Mavic Air is smaller folded and unfolded. You need less amount of space to operate it, and it's also lighter. So, the clear winner is the Mavic Air. Additional features. The Air has two additional features called Boomerang and Asteroid. And they are really great and fun to use. The tracking has also improved, and it takes 360 panoramas more quickly than the Pro. I use these features a lot, so the clear winner is the Mavic Air. My personal conclusions. If you need a drone with better camera quality, smaller, lighter, better obstacle avoidance and some really cool features like Boomerang and Asteroid, and you can cope with the removed shutter knob, you have it. The Mavic Air is the best for you. If you need longer flight time out of one battery, if you need long distance flights, stealthier sound levels and shutter control knobs, well, the Mavic Pro is the best for you. And the question is, which drone would I choose if I could only pick one? Well, I would pick the Mavic Air, cause the camera quality for me is the most important. But as I mind to keep them both, I solved all the problems that I mentioned before. Thank you again guys for following. We are building a really great community here. Give me a really big thumbs up if you like this video and also to break this YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you want to watch more cinematic bold thing like this. Until the next one, have a really nice weekend and fly safe.